So here's the Ring door chime, and before, every time we open a door, we would never hear that. Okay, now I tried resetting the Wi-Fi and everything, and if you go to your Ring device, just go under devices, and then once you're at devices, you see front door there, go down to alarm base. We're gonna tap on that, and then when I went down here where it said front door. It says closed right now, it's working, but before it said offline. So I tried to reset the Wi-Fi, change everything. We're about to do a factory reset until you need to change the batteries in these. So if I go here, this like slides up and you have CR 2032 batteries, 2 of these, pop those right in. That's what we did. And then we just slide this back on and you can already hear it working in the background. Ready, do it again, ready? I hope you guys can hear that anyway. You just need the batteries.